Good day everyone, welcome to our channel. The words make and do are some of the most commonly used verbs, which can be confusing partly because they have similar meaning, but they do have a difference. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the most common phrases using make and do and explain when and why we use each one. Stay with me until the end of this video and find out more. We'll also have a free quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. I make my homework, or I do my homework. Let's have a look in detail at the verbs make and do. We use do in phrases which are focused on tasks and responsibilities. Also, do is used for repetitive actions. We often use make when referring to the creation or production of something. Do typically emphasizes the act of carrying out these activities. Make emphasizes the result. Make and do are often used in specific topics. If your topic is about work or study, the verb do will help you build correct sentences. For example, do homework. I have to do my homework before dinner. Do business. I do business with clients around the world. Do work. I need to do a lot of work. But when the topic is related to money or financial matters, we usually use make. For example, make a fortune. They made a fortune selling luxury bags. Make money. I'm trying to make some money during my summer break. Make a profit. All businesses should make a profit. Make a deal. I made a deal to lower the rent for my apartment. If you're talking about sports or hobbies, you will use do. Do exercises. Do sport. I like doing exercises in the morning and usually I do yoga on Sundays. If we are talking about household tasks and repetitive activities, you should use do. We use do for most household chores because they are regular tasks. Do the dishes, do the laundry, do the dusting, do the shopping. But there is one exception. We say make the bed, even though it's also a daily task. For example, on Saturday morning, I made my bed as soon as I woke up. I did the dishes after breakfast. After that, I did the laundry and hung the clothes out to dry. Then, I did the dusting in the living room to surprise my mom. We use do in expressions such as do your best, do well, do me a favor, do nothing. I will do my best to pass the exams. I needed a quiet place for preparation, and my friend did me a favor by leaving me in peace. If I do well, I will reward myself and will do nothing all next day. As I mentioned before, the word make is used to talk about creating or producing something. That is why when we talk about food and drinks, we use make. Make a sandwich. Make tea. Make dinner. I usually make a sandwich for lunch with ham and cheese. I always make my tea at 4 p.m. with cakes. I don't make dinners on Fridays, I go out. If you talk about relationships and collaboration with people, you will use the verb make. Make an excuse, make friends, make a promise, make an offer. I made a promise to my parents to make new friends when I am in college. Don't make excuses if you fail your exam. If you pass the interview, the company will make you an offer. If you talk about arrangements and decisions, you will use make. Also, the verb make is used in expressions like make a mistake, make a decision, make an appointment, make a noise, make a mess. There are some exceptions of these rules. Sometimes, even though we create something, we still use do. Do my hair. I do my makeup. Do my nails. You are styling or creating a look. Do a drawing. Even though it's a creation, do is most common. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. And if you want more practice, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you and goodbye.